Hello, today we are going to change the rear pads of a Space Saver light walker. My mother-in-law does not like it when her walker pads wear down and scrape against the floor. She does not like that noise. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a way that I have found at home to do this pretty inexpensively and quickly. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to pull the old stoppers off. These are not the factory stoppers. These are the stoppers actually I've replaced before. As you can see, they're completely worn down after about a month's use. She typically walks around the house and she walks on sidewalks. And so those pads get a lot of wear and tear on a daily basis. So what I found is to be able to replace those with these stoppers. You can find them in any local hardware store. They're called heavy duty rubber chair tips. And I'll post a picture of this at the end of the video. These are 1 inch. They fit this model of walker nicely. I had to look around quite a bit to be able to find the right size. And so the way I did that was just measuring the walker base and then finding the appropriate size to go with it so that you could match it with your type of walker that you're trying to work with. An additional reinforcement that I like to use is a heavy duty carpet glide. These are also in that same section within the hardware store. And they're basically a button or a pin, and they've got a needle on the end, and I can push those into the rubber stoppers, and they give just a layer of reinforcement, and they actually make it so when she's inside on the floors, it's very soft and she pushes along, almost as if she's got a tennis ball on the bottom. We tried tennis balls and that lasted 3 days. And so that's why I went on a venture to figure out what other ways we could do to kind of make this so that she feels confident in her mobility. So right there, that's what we do. We place those on there. Now these will wear down over time too. And then we just rely on the stopper. We let that wear down too. That's just the way that we do it, but you could interchange these if you wanted to sooner than we do. So all you have to do is slide these on. Like I said, they are 1 inch. They slide on there pretty snug. Make sure they're up here, and then I test it out, and she's good to go. I also bought a modification, a domed nail glide on. I felt like these might be fun to try one time to see if they function the same or last any longer, but I thought I would include those in the video. I'll put pictures at the end. None of this has been safety tested. It's just something that we use here at home. And when I was looking for a solution for her, I felt like if I could ever find one, I would post it so other people could see it as well.